This video is made possible by Amsoil.
Yeah, no, I go on, man. Right? Me see you today, but me not see the machine, you know, man. What go on?
Well, we're not 100% ready.
Okay.
We're getting there. Hopefully we can get there in time to meet
The next track day.
Next track day.
Okay.
But definitely the race meet. But we have to put in some a lot of practicing and so on before we get to the real race meet.
Right. And I mean, word on the street is that you're coming back bigger, better. I mean, upgrades galore. I don't know where you want, where you can't tell me, because you can't tell me everything, but I don't know.
Well, we're definitely coming to lose.
You're serious?
But anyway, that's really that's a little revamping of the car.
Okay.
Kind of making improvements, restructuring the stability and the handling of the car. That's the main aim.
Okay. So it sounds like suspension and tweaking and that sort of stuff.
Suspension, chassis.
Okay.
Some chassis work. Because my car is an older car, you know.
Right.
The chassis, you know, it's brittle. It gets brittle over the years.
Right.
So we never had the time to really emphasize on those things.
Right.
So now
you have the time.
We have the time. So we're not really. The power will come.
Yeah, boy.
Okay.
You know.
Well, as I mentioned, power, you know, I don't know. I mean, a little birdie I tell me say. So the letter, the engine change and all them something. I don't know.
Wait. So I'm trying it.
Yeah. You
Trying the clan.
Yeah.
The letter of the day is
I don't know. You can choose to play the fifth, you know, but unless you want to give me a little, you know, update, I don't know.
I am a fan. I am by heart a Toyota fan. Toyota manufacturers love. That's where it is. But the dynamics have changed in the country. Back in the day, you could have get a Toyota 4A GE, you know, any used parts place, and the parts were more accessible.
Right.
No, the
and
dynamics affordable. Right. The dynamics have changed really.
Right.
It's more of that same letter you're calling.
The clan.
The clan. It's a clan, you know.
Yeah.
They carry a clan through the whole world.
Yeah, man.
So really and truly, if you're talking about bang for your buck,
right,
it is not a bad option.
Definitely.
So,
and as I say, you're not coming to lose.
No,
definitely.
Well, let me put it this way: we're coming to enjoy ourselves.
Okay.
Most of us.
Definitely.
But competition is in the heart of what we do.
All right.
So, yeah.
Well, Ian, I won't let you spill too much more of the beans.
No.
We're going to save some till we see the machine. All right, bro. Take it easy.
Appreciate it, sir. As usual.
Big up, Ian.
Big up
Respect.
Me, I look forward to the 86 races. Cause
that is you, Ian Wright.
Alan Chen.
Whoa, yes, Alan in the mix. Nicholas Bond. Now, are you in any way intimidated or frightened?
You're not afraid?
I'm yet to see the person who, on my way to Dover, may have the race or even on the grid, may I tremble or, you know, I don't meet the person yet.
I know you don't do the call out thing, but anybody else you're looking forward to, you know, compete against?
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.